What does a Venn diagram look like for a universal set and three subsets when all subsets share common elements in some way? In a Venn diagram for three sets that share common elements, the three circles, which represent the three sets, all overlap each other. The rectangle, representing the universal set, encloses the three circles. Let's dive straight into an example. Lisa, Aisha, and Olivia are students at the Ellipse Academy of Engineering. The exam grades used by the Academy make up a universal set U, which contains the elements A, B, C, D, E, and F. The set with Lisa's exam results contains the elements A, B, and C. The set with Aisha's results contains the elements A and B. And finally, the set with Olivia's results contains the elements B, C, D, and F. The three students have all had the same number of exams. Aisha's set contains only two elements, A and B. That means that she has gotten either A's or B's on all her exams. All three sets share common elements in some way. Let's find out how by constructing a Venn diagram. This is your starting point. The universal set is represented by the rectangle, and the three subsets are each represented by one circle. You can start in the middle and see if there are any elements shared by all three sets. The only element that is contained in all three sets is the grade of B. So, let's move the B to this region. Now draw a slash through all the B's so that you know that this element has been dealt with. Let's continue and move to this region. This region covers all the elements shared by Lisa's and Olivia's sets, except for the elements shared by all three sets. The grade of C fits this description, so you can move the C over here. Remember to draw a slash through the C elements in your list. You can now move to this region. Are there any elements shared by Lisa's and Aisha's sets that are not shared by all three? Yes, the grade of A fits this description. So let's move the element A here. It's time to move on to this region. Are there any elements shared by Aisha's and Olivia's sets that are not shared by all three sets? No, there aren't. This region, therefore, remains empty. What about this region? All the elements in Lisa's set have a slash through them, so there are no elements to move to this region. This part of Lisa's circle, therefore, stays empty. The same goes for this region of Aisha's circle. This region will contain no elements. The two elements are already present in the region of the intersection of Lisa's and Aisha's circles. You have now come to this region of Olivia's circle. Two elements remain in Olivia's set, the letters D and F. These two elements are not present in any of the other two sets. You can therefore move both of them to this region. But you are not finished just yet. You have to remember that Lisa's, Aisha's, and Olivia's sets are subsets of the universal set U. The universal set contains the elements A, B, C, D, E, and F. Do the subsets contain all the elements in U? Well, the union of the three subsets contains all the elements in the subsets. From the Venn diagram, you find that the union of Lisa's, Aisha's, and Olivia's sets contains the elements A, B, C, D, and F. If you compare the two sets, you will find that the element E is not included in the union. You can therefore move E to this location, outside the circles, but inside the rectangle. And there you have it. The Venn diagram is finished. In a Venn diagram for three sets that share common elements, the three circles, which represent the three sets, all overlap each other. The rectangle, representing the universal set, encloses the three circles.